Here are 10 powerful tools for analyzing Instagram profiles, uncovering data, and testing account security. I'll show you what each tool does and how it's used in real scenarios. We'll cover OSINT, credential testing, and phishing detection. Use these tools only on accounts you own or in a controlled lab. Unauthorized use is illegal. Let's start with the first tool. X-IG-OSINT builds a dossier on any Instagram user from just a username. It checks account age, flags bots or shadow banned accounts, and finds if the linked email is in data breaches. It scans for the same username across social media, mapping the user's online presence in seconds. Use it to find exposed usernames, breached emails, and weak points on your own account. Businesses use it to vet influencers and detect bot networks. In our test, it instantly flagged a dummy account for no posts and found similar profiles elsewhere. X-IG-OSINT is a powerful intelligence-gathering tool for Instagram. That's just the first tool. 9 more to go. InstaRecon maps Instagram social networks fast. Just enter a user or hashtag. It builds a social graph, shows connections, influencers, and conversation flow. Visualizes user clusters and frequent interactions. Extracts and analyzes external links in bios or posts, mapping connected blogs and company sites. Scrapes only public data, no private profiles or password cracking. Attackers use it to map organizations and find key employees for spear phishing. Defenders audit their digital footprint and spot exposed links. We mapped hundreds of accounts in minutes and found top influencers. Anything posted publicly can be mapped and analyzed instantly. Here's how hackers actually try to crack your Instagram password. They use tools like InstaRecon to test thousands of passwords for a single username. InstaRecon has manual and auto modes. In manual mode, attackers use a custom list of passwords, often based on personal info. In auto mode, it runs through huge lists of common passwords automatically. The tool is optimized to try logins quickly and efficiently. In our test, InstaRecon cracked a weak password like sunshine in under a minute using a standard word list. Weak passwords are easy targets for these tools. Use strong, unique passwords to protect your account. Instagram Brute Forcer is a word list-based brute force tool for attacking Instagram accounts. Enter a username and a word list, and the tool tries each password until it finds the right one or finishes the list. It runs for hours or days, unattended. Works on servers or mobile devices using Termux. You can run it directly from your phone. The interface is simple, with basic output and reports. It shows which passwords were tried and if any worked. Weak passwords are easily cracked. The tool runs automatically, no supervision needed. We tested it on an old Android phone with Termux. Target, dummy account, password 2024. Used a 10 million word dictionary. Attempts passwords every few seconds for hours. It can run overnight, making brute force attacks possible while you sleep. Let's get straight to the action. I used InstaRecon, a brute force tool built for speed. It uses threading and proxies to hit an account with thousands of password attempts per second. Threading lets it make multiple login attempts at once, while proxies hide the source of the attack. This makes it harder for Instagram to detect and block the attack. The tool rotates IP addresses and manages attack rates to avoid detection. For this demo, I targeted a fresh dummy account. I used a small password list, just a few hundred options. The terminal filled with failed attempts almost instantly. Within seconds, Instagram's defenses triggered connection errors and blocked further attempts. If there was any delay or misconfiguration, InstaRecon would have found it. Let's look at Venom Instagram Brute Force, a tool focused on anonymous Instagram hacking. Venom is designed to attack Instagram accounts while hiding the attacker's identity. It integrates directly with the Tor network for anonymity. All login attempts are routed through Tor, making each attempt appear to come from a different location. Venom can also use proxy chains for extra layers of obfuscation. This makes blocking the real IP address nearly impossible. The trade-off is speed. Each login attempt is much slower. Venom is slow, stealthy, and hard to trace. Attackers use Venom with specific leaked passwords from other breaches, not random guesses. They try these passwords slowly, confident one will work, and avoid detection. The best defense is using a unique, strong password for every account. If you reuse passwords, tools like Venom can test them against all your accounts, one by one. InstaHack is an all-in-one toolkit that combines multiple Instagram attack phases into a single interface. It offers modules for information gathering, credential testing, and automating abuse reports. To start, enter a username. The tool pulls public data, user ID, follower and following count, bio, external links, and downloads all public photos and videos. This is the reconnaissance phase, collecting all initial intel. Next, move to credential testing. InstaHack includes a built-in brute forcer. Use gathered info, names, dates, interests, to generate a custom word list and attack the account. The tool transitions smoothly between recon and attack modules. InstaHack also automates abuse report submissions. You can flood a target account with fake reports to attempt a takedown. Security professionals use InstaHack to evaluate account security, test brute force resistance, and check for abuse vulnerabilities. It shows how vulnerabilities can be chained together in a coordinated attack. InstaHack is essentially a full pen test toolkit for Instagram accounts. X-IG-OSINT is an advanced attack simulation tool used by professional red teams and penetration testers. It runs on Termux and is designed for persistent, multi-stage social media campaigns. The tool specializes in advanced recon, mapping social network relationships, and identifying high-value targets. X-IG-OSINT analyzes follower lists, pivots to new targets, and maps influence paths within networks. Its credential testing module rotates user agents and manages cookies for stealthier attacks. The tool also includes modules for session risk analysis and session hijacking attempts. A typical workflow: use OSINT to identify a target, brute force a weak account, then use that access for spear phishing. X-IG-OSINT demonstrates how attackers chain multiple techniques to breach systems. It tests every link in your social media security, from public posts to session security, to find the weakest point. X-IG-OSINT simulates an adaptive, intelligent adversary for real-world attack scenarios. Let's see how vPhisher works in practice. Launch vPhisher and select the Instagram template. The tool instantly generates a convincing fake login page. Choose your hosting method, local or public, using a tunneling service like ngrok. With ngrok, you get a public link to the fake page. Send this link to your target. When they open it, the fake Instagram login page appears. The target enters their username and password. Instantly, those credentials show up in your terminal. In our test, we had a working fake Instagram login page online in under a minute. We sent the link, entered dummy credentials, and watched the credentials appear live. vPhisher makes phishing fast and simple, no coding required. RickFizz is a phishing tool that can steal your 2FA codes, not just your password. It creates fake Instagram login pages that look and act exactly like the real thing. When a victim enters their username and password, the site immediately asks for their 2FA code. The victim receives the real code on their phone and enters it into the fake site. The attacker sees the code in real time and uses it to access the victim's account. This is a real-time man-in-the-middle attack. The only way to stop this attack is to check the website URL before entering your credentials. Always verify the URL. That's your best defense. So, what have we learned? We've journeyed through the entire Instagram attack surface, from the initial OSINT that turns your public posts into a detailed dossier, all the way to advanced phishing that tricks you into handing over your password and even your 2FA codes. We've seen how attackers build a profile, test your defenses, and ultimately exploit your trust. The 10 tools we explored today show that an attack is a process, a chain of events that starts with information and ends with compromise. It's a battle fought on multiple fronts, from your password strength to your psychological biases. But here's the single most important takeaway from this entire video. In almost every case, the most successful attacks don't exploit a bug in Instagram's code. They exploit a bug in human behavior. They rely on us using weak or reused passwords. They rely on us oversharing personal information. They rely on us clicking links in a hurry without checking where they lead. The technology can be nearly perfect, but the human element will always be the primary target for any skilled attacker. Your habits are your greatest vulnerability, but they can also be your strongest defense. Finally, I have to say it one more time. The tools and techniques in this video are powerful, and with great power comes great responsibility. Using them without explicit written consent is illegal and unethical. The goal here is to learn, to build awareness, and to become a harder target. If you find a vulnerability, practice responsible disclosure. Be a builder, not a breaker. The world of cybersecurity needs more defenders, more educators, and more people like you who are willing to learn how things work so we can all be safer. Stay aware, stay skeptical, and stay secure.